Looking for an easy way to repair damaged areas in drywall? Check out the drywall repair clips from Wallboard Tools. To get started, mark a cutout around the damaged area. Next, saw the damaged area out with a drywall saw. Then, slide a clip into the cutout, followed by a drywall screw to secure the clip in place. The screws grab quickly and firmly thanks to the small holes in the clips. Once all the clips are in place, cut a new drywall patch the same size and shape as the cutout. Then place it into the cutout. Drive a screw in each clip to secure the new piece in place. Next, remove the metal tabs by bending them over. They snap off easily thanks to the special design. All that's left to do is mud, tape, and finish. The drywall repair clips from Wallboard Tools provide a strong repair that's easy. Get yours today.